Now in the hybridization topic, there is a remaining of hybridization of the carbon. Before we going to enter into the hybridization of carbon, there is a small relationship is there. This is the nucleus and these are the 1s orbital, 2s orbital and 2p orbital. This 2p orbital is somewhat a little bit more distance than 2s orbital. That's why we have represented like this. This 2p orbital is somewhat away from the nucleus. That's why this having high energy when compared to 2s orbital. Now if there is a distance is increases like this, 1s, 2s, 2p, if the distance increases, then charge also increases. How means? This nucleus having positive charge due to the proton, this can neutralize this negative charge with maximum. The proton of the nucleus will neutralize this 1s orbital of the electrons with maximum, and this the protons of the nucleus will neutralize the 1s electrons maximum, then 2s electron medium, and then 2p electrons with less neutralized, due to this is far away from the nucleus, and due to this there is a charge also increases like this. As the distance increases, then charge also increases. And that's why whenever there is increasing of charge, means this nucleus cannot neutralize this 2p orbital. That's why the energy also increases. The energy of the electrons which are present in the 2p orbitals also increases. Whenever the energy of the electrons increases, then reactivity also increases. But the stability of that atom will be reduces. Once again, whenever there is a distance from the nucleus is increases, then there is a charge also increases, and thereby energy of those electrons also increases due to far away from the nucleus, and reactivity also increases. Because reactivity, how the reactivity increases means these electrons will loosely hold to the proton of this nucleus, but the stability of the entire atom is reduces. Now you take the hybridization of carbon. Now you will take the hybridization of carbon. The carbon electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, and the electronic configuration is like this. And then how is this hybridization state? Means this 1s orbital is nearer to the nucleus, this is medium distance, this is somewhat more distance from the nucleus, and the nucleus of the carbon atom undergoes first excited state. It will undergo excited state due to the availability of the empty pz orbital. Then the electron from the 2s moves to the pz. Now, then what is the need of the carbon atom to undergo hybridization? Means the total valence electrons, means the electrons which are present in the outermost shell is 4. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 electrons having different energy levels. due to these two electrons having a medium distance from the nucleus, this having more distance from the nucleus, that's why this having different energy levels. According to above principle also, there is a difference, there is a 2s orbital having less energy and 2p orbital having high energy. Due to this energy difference and difference in the energies of the valence electron, this carbon atom undergoes hybridization. In the what is the main role of hybridization means, in the hybridization, when an atom undergoes hybridization, the atom need to undergo hybridization. The what is the important means, because whenever this electron involved in the bonding, due to the negative charges of the electron, they will strongly repelled by each other. In order to reduce the repulsion, whenever the electrons involved in the bonding, those two electrons repelled strongly by each other, in order to reduce this strong repulsion, there is a need of the carbon atom or other atoms to undergo hybridization. In the hybridization, there is a equidistance. There is a equidistance of those hybridized orbital. Due to this equidistance, they having the equal energies. Due to this equal energy, now the atom will undergoes in the bonding. Likewise, and this carbon atom will undergo hybridization sp3. How means, then 1s orbital will be there, and there is a intermixing of s orbital px with px and py, then leads to give sp3 hybridization. Next, now when the carbon atom undergoes sp2 hybridization means,